today's craft we are doing chicks in a nest. For this you'll just need some glue and some scissors. If you want to use hot glue instead, it does go faster, but this works just fine. And then let's look and see what's in the bag. So we're going to start by making the nest. The nest is going to be made out of newspaper. So for the first part of it, we're going to make the bottom of the nest. So we need to create a space somewhere in the middle for our chicks to lay. So we're just going to start scrunching up our newspaper. Just take a little glue and just kind of stick it down in there. Alright, I think that's pretty good. It doesn't have to be pretty. The whole point of it is to make it look messy like a nest. Alright, now with the second one we're just going to build up the outer layers of our nest a little bit. So we're going to take this paper. We're going to start rolling it kind of diagonally. So now we're just going to wrap it around the nest like this to build up a spot for our chicks. Alright, I'm just going to glue now. Good. Fluff it up a little bit. Set that aside and let it dry. Alright, to make the chick, you're going to need some of the fill, polyfill, and some of the tissue paper. And then I'm going to take our tissue paper, and since I'm making kind of a small one, I'm going to use the entire thing, but I'm going to fold it over and use it like this so that our chick has plenty of coverage, so that it has a nice thick coat of tissue paper. Base for our chicken. Then I'm going to cut a couple of wings. So we left aside this paper for wings. I think I'm just going to cut straight across here. And then I'm going to cut here. And then I'm going to fold it. Just cut a little curve into it. Take a little bit of glue. Stick it on the side. Alright, now we have our little chicken wings. Chicken. Put a couple of googly eyes on there. Now I just need to make the beak. Orange beak here. I'm just going to cut a small square. Well, square-ish, as close as square as I can get. And then I'm going to fold that in half. And then we're going to glue and on our little face. All right, and there's our silly little looking chicken. Okay, So now I'm going to go and I'm going to decorate the nest with random pieces of tissue paper and feathers to make it look more like a nest, and make another chick, and then when I come back I'll show you how it all looks assembled together. And here's our finished product.